Team Victorious RC, Nick Johnson, Basher Mania, coming to you with a one-of-a-kind video. Oh yes, this is the first timer. We're talking about the first ever XMAXX to ever have and successfully installed a HiTec 1100 WP with 1500 plus torque ounce in. Oh yes, I did say that. This is the first ever XMAXX to have this mega servo installed successfully, ladies and gentlemen. Reigning, defending champion out of Austin, Texas, I give to you Bully 5th scale XMAXX, which now has this big bad 4-scale servo in there made by HiTec. It has about 1500 plus torque ounce in. I did say that. It requires its own LiPo battery. Yes, I did say that, from 2S all the way to 4S. Currently, I've got this Venom 3S battery that extracts about 11.1 volts, but occasionally I use my MaxAmps 4S battery, a solo one, of course, that extracts about 14.8 volts to this bad boy. You want to see how rough and tough it is? I'm going to show you right now. Oh, the speed is unmatched. The power is unmatched. It's beautiful. It's bold. It's sexy. Just like the drama show that comes on TV. You gotta understand, ladies and gentlemen, I spent tons and tons of hours trying to fix this specific model to have a beautiful and big and bold 4-scale servo, because when you race with the dogs that are in this underground league that I race in, you got to have hot pop parts that are in it to win it. If you don't, you're always paying. I'm part of a league that races once a week every Wednesday here in the ATX Austin, Texas cash money tournaments, and it's big time, ladies and gentlemen. I highly respect those races from NASCAR now. There's really no comparison, but at the same time, when you're out there racing, the competition sets in and everything is extremely passionate. I've got a Leopard motor. I've got a Hobby Wing ESC Max 5, and I've got, of course, a Mod 1.5 gears, 30-tooth pinion, 35-tooth spur. I've been through tons of servos out there, ladies and gentlemen, other brands, other models, 5th scale servos, but nothing compares to the Mega 1100 WP. This bad boy is unbelievably powerful. I SHITU not. Why? It delivers 1500 plus torque ounce in. Are you kidding me? Look at this. Look at that. It's taken me hours upon hours to successfully input this specific servo. I have the exact travel needed, the exact travel required, that's been developed by those wonderful engineers over at Traxxas. I highly respect their perspective and their ingenuity. If you're off by any degrees, 3 or 4 degrees, 1, 2 or 3 degrees, you're going to be turning wide like a school bus, and that's why it's taking me hours. This is just a Cliff Notes version of how I've installed this. You have 2 bolts on this side, 2 bolts on the other side of the servo. Each bolt goes through the front part of the chassis, through the side walls of the servo, and then I have 2 nuts on the I have a nut on the other end, plus a washer and Loctite that accepts the bolt. You tighten it down on all 4 corners, and you got a nice and plush servo that is ready to battle at all times. Again, I will be uploading a more complex how-to video here soon, but for now, I think this will do. I congratulate myself. This is about a 1.5 years worth of work, and here's why.